The last month of spring is the last month of autumn, depending where you live. No daylight savings in this part of the world. Alun equals 48. What is it? Mountain Standard Time. See, no daylight savings. So this time, it's the right time, but you've got to be in Phoenix, where the phoenix rises from the ashes of the bushfire, the firestorm. Nathan. The time on the watch in Shake It Out is 11:58, or about 2 minutes before 12. Aha! So we've got it figured. We think. We hope. We have. Anyway. 9:48. 9:48. I could go and show you the link. I suppose I could. Do you want me to? I don't think I'll bother. You can go look at it. It's 11:58. It's at the start. It's like 16, 17, 18 seconds into the video. That's the time on the watch. Shake It Out by Florence and the Machine. And yeah, that's it. That's the video. That's the anticipation all across the nation. 9:49 is the time now. In Mountain Standard Time, Phoenix, Arizona. So yeah, it totally depends where you are. Time is weird. It changes. It keeps changing. 11:49 in Minnesota. So it's getting towards midnight. It's getting towards the devil's hour. Bad Boy is 49. Old Faithful, prediction equals 113. Yes, 25. Of course it's 25 minutes. 3 days, 7 hours, and now 26 minutes. 114. Old Faithful. Did you see anything weird there? Like these times? I see something. I see a lot of 135s. That's the value of Daniel and Samuel, the identical twins in Red Rain. Samuel Delaney, 137. Yeah, and Black Saturday, 138. So yeah, Samuel was born 137 days after Nathan died. Exactly. Samuel Delaney, 137. Jatan born exactly 133 days after that eruption of the steamboat back in 2002. Mount Papandayan equals 126. Yeah, coolies. I mean, not really cool. Quite hot actually, but you know what I mean. Or maybe you don't. Alun knows what I mean. Alun knows. 173, I think it's frozen. 196, 169, it's reflecting there. I mean, this is the same as it was before, isn't it? Sometimes it does freeze. Sometimes the site freezes itself, I've found. Yeah, look, see? No change. I think it's frozen. Time to close the weather channel. Or did you want to look at the satellites, the radars? Do you want to see what's happening around this very exciting country called Australia? Ah. There is actually a bit of excitement. By Australian standards. There's a bit of rain coming across there, the southeast. Southeast quadrant, is that what it should say? Southeast corner? I think that's what mostly they say, the corner, southeast, even though it's not a corner. Quadrant. I wonder which vent is going to squirt the highest. 24th of the 5th, 2019. So there you go. Don't let anyone say that I didn't make this video today, because I did. And the proof is in the rain. There. Steam goes up into the sky and makes rain. Rain makes the plants grow. Plants means there's something to eat and people can survive. See? It's all connected. Yeah. Well, you know. There we go. Hey, there's rain actually coming my way. See, this is what happens when you're not looking. Things sneak up on you. Like a sneaky boy. Ah, it has updated. It wasn't frozen. 16.9 and 16.9. It's gone for twins now. Because Jatan's 16, and so is his brother, Demas. Both born on the 6th of the 9th. I get it. 2002. Wow. Wow. And 2/12's the 24, and today's the 24th. Daniel and Samuel, the 12-year-old twins, in Red Rain, Friday the 24th. Wow. Okay. Just remember, this is all about, something to do with Steamboat Giza, and something to do with Mount Papandayan in 2020. So, the next eruption of Steamboat Giza is 12:58 AM on Saturday, 25th of May, 2019. So 58 minutes after midnight. Depending where you are, will depend what the time is. As always. It's always so. And then it comes down to whether or not your watch is working. If your watch is not working, well, you might think it's another time. Or if it's cloudy and you're relying on the sun and the stars, you could get in all kinds of trouble like me once. More than once. Eruption is 118. Eruption. 118. Satan. 55. Oh yeah. Yes, he's a hot boy. He has to be by now. Daffodil. 57. 57. Kind of like twins. Bulb. 37. We're back to here, people. We're back to 37 and 57. Okay. Fire is 38. Okay. Time to wrap this up. I've wrapped it up. I don't need to do anything else. I can just go home. I don't have to go home. I'm already home. There we go. Let's finish in Minnesota, where the time is 11:55. And it's 2:55 here. Alun. Nathan Breeze, 119. Nathan Breeze. The boy from King Lake West. King Lake West, by the way, equals 137. I was talking about 137 days after Nathan was born. Samuel was born. Jacob is 31. Nathan is 58. Nathan Breeze, 119. Samuel Alun is 119. Samuel Alun. Nathan David Breeze is 159. Dragon is 59. Bad is 7. Bad Dragon. Nathan knows all about that. And 32. Add up all the digits in Nathan's date of birth. They add up to 32. So, there's more than you realize. There's always more than you think. 39, the value of angel. Twins. Twin angels. Dragon. How to tame your dragon. If you're an angel and you've got a pet dragon, how to tame it. How to keep it kind of under control. Kind of. Maybe not completely, but kind of. So yes, twins. And there's so much here. The more I read about this volcano, the more I realize there's so much that is coincidental. But it's not coincidental. It's synchronous. Synchronicity. Synchronicities. Connections. Yeah. See, if this actually comes true, it'll be weird inside a wet volcano. 22 volcanoes. 22, the most powerful number in numerology. 2009, the year Nathan left this world, was 2009. The beauty of Elephant Woodland. Jakarta. December 6, 1989. a date I've talked about a lot. It was 40, 44, 45 days after Jake disappeared, abducted, gone, without a trace. And something happened to me 44, 45 days later. It was December 6, I think. I mean, it could have been December 7. It could have been December 5, but I think it was December 6. Just one other thing before we go, because it's almost midnight in Minnesota. Maybe we should go to one of the twin cities, like Minneapolis. One other thing would be Lorenzo, Kajiki, Ivo, Kiko, and Octave. The 5 Category 5 cyclones. Lorenzo was on the name list back in 2013. And Jatan guessed Lorenzo was going to be the one. Lorenzo was actually not the one. But Lorenzo was at his peak strength on the 22nd of October as a tropical storm. Didn't last long. Dissipated on the 24th of October. But that was kind of weird in itself. Lorenzo's back this year, 2019. There will be a Lorenzo, tropical storm Lorenzo, in the Atlantic. Will it become a hurricane? Will it become a major hurricane? And what about the other 4? Kajiki will be a tropical storm in the Western Pacific. Will it be a typhoon? Will it be a super typhoon? Kajiki, Ivo, Kiko, and Octave are all in the Eastern Atlantic. They'll all be tropical storms in the Eastern Atlantic. Midnight. It's the Devil's Hour in Minnesota. Friday, 24th of May, 2019. But will those 5 storms, it's 3 o'clock here, will they be hurricanes? Will they get to hurricane strength? Will they get to tropical cyclone strength or not? Is the question. 5, I don't know, something with the 5, like the 5, 25, but the 6, right? But then 6 is the devil's number. I don't know. The pentagram has 5 points. If it's pointing up, it means the energy is going up. I don't know. There's something there. I'm not sure what. It's midnight. Time to go. Catch you later.